Hey y'all, it's Justus and I am back with another video. And I know I look like I just woke up, but I have not. I'm working and I did not have time to put my makeup on because I got some orders that I gotta get out today before the post office closed. So let's do this together.
How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes on.
Before we get started, I do want to announce this week's winner, okay? So if y'all have not been paying attention, I am doing a giveaway in every one of my videos during this season, Virgo season. And every video I announce a winner and then I give y'all an opportunity to win again. So make sure you continue to watch so you can have your chance to enter. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and follow me on my business IG, shop.leamore, and comment down below whatever I leave in the video for you to comment. This lash, I told y'all I was just working, right? So don't judge me. But anyways, so this week winner is, so make sure y'all go and follow on IG. This is their IG, you feel me? I don't say names, I don't want to mess up nobody's name, but this the IG. And what you have won is so I do thank you so much for entering, and everybody go in. You can enter again. Even though you won, you can enter again. I'm gonna get into this video. Make sure you go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel because I always post entrepreneur videos. I'm all about us winning. I'm trying to make everyone be a billionaire. This is the billionaire club. We all gonna make this money. We're gonna get this money together, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it, and I'm gonna make it easy because I had to do it the hard way. All right, so let's go ahead and package these orders. Okay, so I'm just setting out everything she ordered, all the different styles, just because I don't keep them boxed up previously because I don't have that much room. You'll see in my upcoming office tour. So those are all the styles that she ordered, and we're gonna box them up. They automatically, when you order those kit or those packages, they come in the silver holographic boxes with some spoolies. So I switched the view because I thought that it would be better this way, but yeah. So now I'm just packaging up those. She ordered 30 lash, that's level 2. So I'm just gonna package that up.
How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes on. Wear them 9 later, got different styles like flavor. Tryna wear that makeup, know you need to switch it up. Yeah. Put these minks on, girl, put these minks on. Try to say them lashes coming from the beauty store. That's a no. Get your minks on, girl, get your blinks on. Lip gloss been popping so you know that you can't sleep on. What you had on, throw away just like a free throw. Yeah. She yelling, trust me, but them lips is looking crusty. She yelling, trust me, but them lashes looking dusty. You shoulda shopped with me, girl, you shoulda shopped with me. Lip gloss and body mix, girl, you shoulda shopped with me. You think you looking cute? Put these lashes on and your man will too. Say put these lashes on, got the men digging you. Say put these lippies on when you kissing your boo. These minks, this lip gloss, what you had on, girl, you can't toss. These minks, this lip gloss, what you had on, girl, you can't toss. These minks, this lip gloss, what you had on, girl, you can't toss.
Okay guys, so you know that this is my first month as a wholesaler. So I launched my wholesale July 30th, and I think today is the 30th. So I have been learning all month things, like it's trial and error. So I do want to encourage everybody like this starting a business, just start the business, just do it because it's trial and error. Like right now I'm using these like cake boxes, but in all reality they not gonna fit in this cake box. Y'all gonna see that I have to get like the UPS flat box, like the flat rate box that they have, or USPS, sorry. So if you guys don't know, you can go to like your local post office and you can get the box for free, but it is like a flat rate box. So they'll let you take it out of there for free, but when you bring it back, no, like you gotta pay for it. You know what I mean? Like you'll take it out. So say if you get the big one like $15, you'll take it out, or maybe it's $20, one or the other. But you'll take it out, you'll put all your stuff in there, and then you'll bring it back and you pay that price. You pay whatever set price is like right there, $15, $20, wherever, and it's gonna go wherever it's supposed to go. So that's a good thing to know, but that is very expensive. So think about if I have to charge everybody $20 for shipping. Who wants to pay $20 for shipping? So I have been really thinking on how to make this so much cheaper. Like sometimes you'll go on people's websites and they have like a set rate. This is, everybody pays a set rate for shipping. Well, that's because they use those flat rate boxes. So since they use those flat rate boxes, that's the shipping cost. But I'm trying to find a way to make shipping like not expensive for you guys. So I'm working on it. But as you can see, I am putting it in there because in my mind, I'm like, okay, I'm going to finesse the system, right? I'm going to put it up in here. I'm going to make it fit up in there. And then I'm going to put it in my poly mailer, right? Okay, y'all stay with me. This is what I was thinking. I'm going to put it in my poly mailer, right? And then I'm going to mail it like that. Well, newsflash, it did not fit in the poly mailer. If I got it to fit in the box, but I couldn't get it to fit in the poly mailer. Plus, I would need to have like bubble wrapped it. So it was too much. So I still end up having to use a box. So just if that helps anybody, I know people always have questions about shipping. I have questions about shipping. I mean, I'm learning shipping from a wholesale standpoint. I'm used to shipping like maybe 2 or 3 pairs of lashes, 2 or 3 lip gloss, maybe a pair of shades or something like that. But when you shipping like a lot of stuff at one time, game changer. So spoiler alert. Those little bubble mailers, they cute or whatever for 1 or 2 items, but when you gotta ship a lot of them, it ain't happening. So I'm about to show y'all how I thought this was gonna work. Okay. Boom. I thought that yes, this was it. That's how that was gonna work. No, you thought. Period. So I ended up having to get that. So this one was $10. Now I end up eating the cost on shipping on this one. So I think for shipping she paid like anywhere from like $4 to $6. You know what I'm saying? Because on my website I have everything like I had everything by the weight. So she ended up paying like $4, something like that. And I end up having to use this box. It's $10. So I just ate like $6. So it's cool. Trial and error won't happen again. But yeah, we're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. I think that I'm still going to try a couple of more things before I come on here and tell y'all this is the exact method. Because obviously I want you guys to have the exact method. That's what I'm here for. That's what my channel is about. It's about teaching you guys, like really teaching you guys, not just kind of teaching you guys. So hopefully we get this figured out real soon because I'm not about to keep eating it. Okay, so I'm just showing you the custom packaging that was ordered by one of my customers, her lash and lip gloss packaging. So it's super adorable. I love it so much. The lash packaging actually does not, the regular tray doesn't fit in there, so it came with its own special tray. So I put she ordered 50 lashes, so I was just switching them over to the tray that came with the lash packaging. I'm not going to bore you guys with this. I'm definitely not. Definitely going to go ahead and skip forward. If you follow me on Instagram like you're supposed to be following me so you could be in this giveaway, honey, then you've already seen that I've done this. So we're going to skip past that part. All right, y'all. So I have put all of the lashes in the packaging. I have put little labels on there so she'll know which one is which. And then I package it up and I'm about to put it in this box because my post office did not have a big enough box. So I went and got this box. It was like $2.50 at Dollar General because I need a big box for all the stuff I gotta put in here. So let's do that. Okay, so I kind of repackaged it back in the packaging it came in. Like it came in these little bags and then bubble wrapping. And I put it back in there because it was protected really good the way My vendor sent it to me. And then now she did order 5 8-ounce pouches of lip gloss. And she also ordered 50 lip gloss tubes. I showed you those earlier, the like little popsicle type tubes. So I did package those up, made sure everything was bubble wrapped and good to go, and we got it in there. Now what I did not show you guys is me putting like the little I think what are they called, peanuts, the little foam peanuts in there. Obviously it's a lot more space in that box, so she's gonna need that in there. Like she's gonna need the foam peanuts in case they get moved around. Like you gotta make sure that if you're sending somebody something, that is in there securely, because you don't want no problems. You don't want stuff breaking and cracking and spilling. And no, they didn't pay for that. They did not pay for that. They want to open it and feel like Christmas. They don't want to open it and feel like, what is this? So yeah, I tried to make sure that it was super protected. Like, I don't know, I'm so cautious about especially big orders. And like I said, I'm so new with big orders. And I'm like, oh my goodness. The small orders, I had got that down pack. I know my bubble mailer is going to protect it. But these big orders, I'm like, oh gosh, I don't want no problems. I don't want no smoke. But I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I do love you guys. Make sure you do comment down below so that you can be entered into the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you're following me on shop.leamore Instagram, or you will not be able to win. Other than that, you guys, guess what? Guess what I want you to do? Stay blessed, honey. Yes.
How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl with them lashes on.